Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I color my hair using Lime Crime's Unicorn Hair. Unicorn hair dyes are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, which I love. I'm going to be showing you two shades today, the shades Shook and On Mute mixed together. Shook is actually a tint, and tints always work best on pre-bleached platinum to blonde hair, so I always make sure that I touch up my roots and that my hair is fresh before using one of these. And I'm also going to be showing you On Mute, which is a specially formulated gray toned mixer that you can basically mix with any semi-permanent dye from their collection to kind of create your own custom smoky color. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you these two guys together. Going to need a mixing bowl. I also have a mixer since I'm mixing two colors together. If you only have one color, it's not really necessary. And then I also have an application brush. You're gonna need a couple of clips. I like to clip my hair into different sections, so you'll need these as well. And a set of gloves. If you're crafty like me and you don't want to ruin one of your shirts, you can definitely repurpose garbage bag. I like to cut a garbage bag with two arms and a spot for my head, and most of your shirt will be covered. I'm gonna also recommend you always start with a strand test just to make sure it comes out the right color that you want. Next, you're gonna wanna part your hair into sections. I like to work in 4 sections, so I usually part my hair in half, and then I'll go and make this a section, make the bottom section another section, and then starting with the bottom section. So I like to work in 1-inch section. Make sure I really saturate the hair. And start painting. Working from root to tip. You just rinse out with lukewarm to cool water, and voila! You can just style to your liking. As you can see, I threw some loose curls in my hair, and that's it. Super simple and easy to use, and now the best part, you get to enjoy your new fun, bright unicorn hair.